What is up, YouTube? And for today's video, I'm gonna be filming a cooking video. And I asked you guys on Instagram what you guys wanted me to film or like cook, and I'm gonna be making chicken Alfredo. Okay. And I'm gonna have two angles. I'm gonna have an angle with this one and then an angle with my phone, just so you guys can get like a closer look to what I'm doing. Okay. So I put a chicken breast in a bag, and I have the three pieces of garlic, and I'm gonna be cutting them. So I'm going to be putting some salt in the bag, and I'm going to be putting a little bit of oil, vegetable oil, or corn oil, I don't know, just some type of oil to make it liquidy, and then some pepper, this little pepper shaker, it's 2 spoons, okay, and then I'm going to be putting some of this pepper, okay, and then some of this all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit though, not too much. And then I'm gonna close the bag, so I'm just gonna mix this bag, make sure that the bag is closed right, and I'm just gonna mix. I'm going to actually put a little bit more of the pepper, just a little bit more, just to give it more flavor. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just mix it, make sure everything is mixed well, just like this, and then I'm going to just to make sure that it's flat, because that's how I want it, and just to like really get the seasoning in the chicken. And then let me just put a little bit more oil to make it a little bit better, just a little bit more, just like that. That I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let this sit here for a little bit. While this is sitting here, okay, So I got the chicken cooking right here, and then I got the noodles, and yeah. Okay, let me get you close-up on that. Just to make the video a little bit more interesting, I'm going to be showing you guys my spoon collection. These ones are here. And I have this spoon that the camera's focusing. It has like a little clock on top of it. And then I have this one, like this one is real silver, has a little boat on the top of it. Yeah. And this is the spoon that I have from Colorado. So it has a little deer. This one's a bell. Has like a little soldier or something, I don't know. So, the smallest one. So I have this one with another bell. It has a design. This one from Colorado. Has a little deer. Okay, so I have my chicken done already, and then this is already boiling, so I'm gonna get it out. And I'm gonna be using this sauce right here. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it in here and then put the noodles in there, and yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how I figure out if my spaghetti is ready. So all I'll do is like throw it against the wall, and if it sticks, then it's ready. So if it sticks, then it's ready, and I take it out. So to take the noodles out, I'm gonna take the noodles out. I'm gonna be just taking the water out with this. It's probably not the right one, but I'm using it anyways. Just like that. Okay. Okay, so I have my chicken done already, and then this is already boiling, so I'm gonna get it out. And I'm gonna be using this sauce right here. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it in here and then put the noodles in there, and yeah.